Stick around to the end for something stupid. This van driver is lucky the truck was merging to the right. The vehicle that just cut me off is transportation to a local hospital. If this driver keeps doing this, his passengers are going to end up in a hospital. A questionable U-turn followed by driving with the emergency flashers. In the state of Georgia, a driver is required to either slow down or get over when an emergency vehicle is present on the roadside. This driver does neither. When traffic starts to slow down, look out for those cut-throughs.
Double fail. And now it's time for Atlanta's favorite pastime, red light running. Now for a cutoff montage.
And finally, the highlighted driver is backing up on the shoulder of the interstate, apparently because he missed his exit. Nice job.